Purchase Invoice Bookings. From the Purchase Ledger menu, select Purchase Account Centre. First of all, we need to select the supplier to which the invoice is to be booked. So we can do this just by clicking the down arrow here and selecting it from our list. Always make sure you've got the correct information displayed here first. Now if we click on the Book Invoice button down the bottom, and we need to give it a total and a reference. So this is generally the supplier's invoice number. And make sure the effective date is correct here. It will default to today's date, but we can change it if need be. I'm going to put this into the previous month. I'm going to leave the default fund code as general. And if we go here into the account field, so this is the expenditure analysis code. So we can right click and choose it from the list, or you can type it in. And enter our value. So I'm going to leave the fund code field blank, so that's going to default to general. But you can select a different fund code there if you need to. For example, if you have more than one line, so you might have another line for stationery but for a different fund code, so you could select that fund code there. If you have already paid this invoice, what you can do is enter a payment reference and the money account that the money was paid from, and that will automatically pay off the invoice. If the invoice is still outstanding, then you can just leave these fields blank. Once you've entered everything, just click on confirm, and that just makes sure that everything in the grid at the bottom here adds up to the total at the top here, and we just click on record. So now if we click on statement, we can see our invoice that we've just booked here, and it's outstanding because we didn't enter a payment reference or a money account. So it still needs to be paid. If we double click on the asterisk column, you can view the details of that invoice again.